But in my case, I am just gonna manually do it right here by adding new product by clicking here. So in here, I can choose physical product because jewelry is a physical product. And then next is that now I can now input the title of my product. So I'm just gonna go for paw ring right here, and then you would now have the images and video. So now you can add images. In my case, I click on add images right here, and now from here you can now start adding your file. So you can click here on upload media, or you could just drag your file in here. You could also go for my boards, trash if you already have some files, or maybe media from Wix, which I don't recommend because this is not the picture of the product itself. Since we are an e-commerce store, I suggest that you upload an image that is exactly your product. So in my case, I have my own image right here. So I have some images. I'm just going to upload this by selecting all of them and then dragging it right here into the site files. As you can see, it is now uploading. Now I'm going to go back and upload the others right here and upload it here. And that's how easy it is to upload your image. Now it is currently uploading, so just wait for it. And here it is. So now I'm going to click here on add to page. And as you can see right here, it will now be added. And there's only one, so we can just go for the others right here. So I can just select that, select this one. So you could just manually add all of them right here. So you could also just select all of them. So how you can do this is that you could go click on your or press the control key on your keyboard, and from here you could select multiple right here so that you'd be able to select them or upload them in one go into your product in here, as you can see. So that's it.